Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. What if I told you that over 40% of solar installations are partially or entirely non operational within months of commissioning, and that as many as 97% of commercial solar rooftops contain major safety or performance issues that could be silently draining your returns? But there's hope. Advanced remote monitoring platforms can boost energy yield by up to 27% while reducing maintenance costs by as much as 70%. These aren't just hypotheticals, they're grounded in real world industry findings. For example, Clean Energy Associates, CEA, reports that 97% of over 600 commercial PV rooftop audits uncovered safety issues, mostly from grounding, wiring, or connector failures. Clean Energy Associates, plus one, Solar Builder Magazine, plus one. Today, we're diving deep into remote solar monitoring for multi-site operations. The technology revolutionizing how EPCs, facility managers, and energy companies manage entire solar fleets from a unified dashboard. Enterprise solar deployments aren't just single sites. They're distributed fleets spanning dozens or hundreds of installations, each with its own quirks, climate, and equipment mix. Failure to aggregate data and act quickly leads to widespread underperformance. A notable case? SB Energy operates clusters of sites across California, each with separate PPA contracts and local grid interconnections. Without centralized oversight, managing performance and uptime becomes unwieldy. Modern platforms like Tigo Energy Intelligence Platform or SCADA solutions based on Ignition OSI PI offer centralized dashboards that show, in real time, health status, alarms, production trends, and equipment metadata across your fleet. The transformation is stark. What used to require multiple technicians and manual visits can now be handled remotely, with real-time alerts, site-level aggregations, and performance analysis from a single interface. Centralized monitoring platforms allow companies to prioritize high-impact maintenance tickets, reducing unnecessary site visits, standardize O&M across locations, lowering labor and training costs, minimize breakdowns and maximize uptime at scale. This shift from reactive service to data-driven preventive and predictive strategies is part of the reason systems using enterprise SCADA report up to 70% fewer system failures and 27% higher energy yield. Robust enterprise architecture is essential. For instance, SB Energy combined Ignition SCADA with OSI PI Historian to support 6 utility-scale sites in real time with consistent dashboards, standardized object models, and cross-site visibility. Corso Systems built their platform on Wonderware Orchestra with interconnected templates, inverters, trackers, meters that reduce deployment time and standardize data point naming, enabling rapid rollout of new sites. Horan and Bird, as one of Australia's largest installers, built a management console streaming time-stamped IoT data into a Cassandra NoSkull database and processing asynchronously in Python, enabling fleet-wide analytics, fault detection, and customer reporting output from real-time solar metrics. SCADA alone is passive, but combine SCADA with AI, and your platform becomes actively predictive. For instance, a University of California solar farm increased yield by 27% and cut downtime with smart sensors detecting microcracks and hotspots before major failures. In Arizona, dynamic load management plus weather data integration improved performance by 23% across multiple solar farms. Platforms from SenseHawk, Raptor Maps, or Drone Deploy use thermal drones and ML models to scan thousands of panels remotely, detecting dust buildup, hot spots, or shading anomalies that human inspectors would miss. These tools learn from fleet-wide data and identify patterns. If one inverter model fails early at multiple sites, the analytics flag it before it's systemic. That predictive trend detection delivers $2.3 million in avoided costs across a multi-site European utility portfolio over 3 years. Modern monitoring dashboards allow fleet managers to group sites by state, technology, or installer, monitor aggregated performance metrics at glance, drill down to panel level or string level issues from one interface. Tygo Fleet Manager, for example, presents a global fleet map and health summary views for quick situational awareness. Advanced systems automatically prioritize alerts like Knoxville temperature sweeps, triggering inverter shutdown, DC string mismatch or smokes, performance ratio dips beyond weather normal thresholds. Technicians receive structured tickets with troubleshooting steps, often resolved remotely, minimizing downtime and reducing service calls. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.